We have time. Time to deliver every detail of your moves with precision and agility. We have time to provide a world-class customer service. Not because we say so, but because our clients rate us and say we have a Net Promoter Score of 80. At K2 Bespoke, our relocation managers have more time in the industry. Their seniority delivers an understanding, empathy, and consistency beyond compare. They get to really know your exceptional talent, families, pets, and possessions, making sure that no matter where they are, no matter where they're going, from our 14 offices around the globe, the relocation experience is beyond the best, beyond expectation, and beyond unique. With an end-to-end approach, there is always somewhere available in both origin and destination. And when you need more than just people, more than their time, their knowledge and their experience, there is more. More support through unique communication programs designed for you and your businesses. Delivering bespoke content that meets the needs of your C-suite population. K2 Bespoke is the ultimate, high-touch, zero-noise relocation experience provider. Visit K2Bespoke.com to connect with one of our bespoke experts.